Thank you, John. So, Polkadot kind of looks similar to Solana, except instead of a breaker, we have this weekly supply zone here, which ranges from $22.3 to $28.4. And as you can see here, the initial thrust into this weekly supply zone's lower limit has led to rejection. Even the candlestick closed below, the previous candlestick close also closed below the lower limit, right? So what I'm expecting is a continuation of this rejection to probably retest the $19 level here, which would be a 10% downswing. But I kind of see the downside capped at $17 or roughly $17.7, which would be a 18% downswing, right? But if the downtrend is going to continue, then I believe we're going to see something like this happen before we see some sort of a base form here on the daily demand zone, which ranges from $10 to $12, roughly $13, right? So if the downtrend is still intact, I'm going to see something like this, and we form base around the demand zone before we finally see an uptrend. So I'm going to stick to the bearish thesis and say that the upside is limited from $22 to $28. Only like a daily candlestick close about $28 would kind of suggest that an uptrend is starting to form, or at least the basics of an uptrend are starting to form. But rejection anywhere in this weekly supply zone here could lead to a retest of the $17.7 support level here. And in a worst case scenario, we could see it come down to the weekly support level here or the daily demand zone, where we can expect a strong or a stable base to form and hopefully a U-turn for Solana. So yeah, that's my take on Solana. I mean, Polkadot, my bad, Polkadot.